Hi everyone, welcome to channel. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can add your bio on your WhatsApp profile. So how you can add? Let's get started. Hey guys, first of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application, and simply you can open your WhatsApp. Simply you can click here on three dots. Simply you can click on settings. Here you can see this type of interface. Simply you can tap on your profile. Simply you can see the about option is here. Simply you can click on pencil icon and you can simply see this. You can choose a template and you can add according to your situations, but simply you can click on pencil icon again and you can simply add here on custom. Simply you can add, let's suppose I'm gonna add, and after that you can simply click here on save option and you can see our bio has been successfully added, and you can see our bio has been successfully added. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any question about this tutorial, so you can tap on comment section. I will answer you.